Question of the day, mother truckers. Have you ever ran anything over on the highway and you're thinking, who the hell left this out there? What's going on, mother truckers? So in this situation right here in Washington, somebody left their mattress on the highway, and basically a car skid into it and then lost control and went into a semi-truck. In the four-wheeler, she actually passed away.
To a deadly accident. According to the Washington State Patrol, it fell off a truck. 20-year-old Johanna A.L. of Edmonds struck the mattress, then her vehicle swerved in front of a semi-truck. The semi-truck hit her driver's side door, and she did not survive.
So all I gotta say, mother truckers, is please do not put anything on the road. And I'm not talking about truck drivers. I'm talking about you four-wheelers out there, because that's super dangerous, and that's what happened here. And now this truck driver has to live with this for the rest of his life.